Hi all, just doing a real quick video on the clear 9-inch polycarbonate flat grip tongs. Now these 9-inch clear tongs are very versatile. What I have here in the background is some of my dehydrated asparagus. And these work really, really nice because a lot of times I put them in my bag or I put them inside of my jars. But for this particular instance, I have it inside of my bag. So the nice thing is I can easily be able to open up the bag and I can grab a bunch of asparagus right out of the bag without having to touch it, and I can be able to use it for whatever purpose I'm planning on using it for. But you saw how I was able to grab this big old stack of it, which is really, really nice. Just one of the many uses you can do with the clear 9-inch flat grip tongs. Thank you so much for watching.